is the day. Today is the day that the engine and blocks become one again and find their final resting place in the car. Once they go in today, shouldn't need to come out again. Fortunately, there's a couple of little things I need to do first, and that's securing the brake lines. But before I can do that, I have to paint the booster again. So I've got the paint heating up, got the booster heating up in the sun. While I do that, I will pull this off the stand, the engine off the stand. Plastic I'll have to trim up a little bit just so it's not in the way, but it has to stay on there as there's no rocker covers, and there won't be for a little while until they're painted. So trim all that up, bolt the clutch on, slide the box on, which sounds easier than it is because the box is fucking huge, and pretty much just set it up to go in the car. We'll have a bit more of a longer video today showing how I've set everything up, I reckon. One bottle of water down, I've been out here just over an hour. Got the clutch on, so that was the Extreme 230mm or X clutch, some people call them, but yeah, she's all bolted up. Actually slid on there real easy. Just lined up the motor with the same height as the dolly, jiggled the box a bit, she slid in the hole. Not real happy with the lifting angle I've got at the moment, so I'm going to try and adjust that before I put it in. But before that, some breakfast. Now I can try and get this blasted in. Still got to get that brake booster in as well, so I'll probably put that in now before I duck inside. But otherwise, yeah, she's looking good to go in. Not really sure if I've missed anything at the moment, just trying to rack my mind, go over everything, make sure I haven't made any balls ups. Otherwise the next clip you'll see will be me fighting the engine into position. Bit melodramatic, but I got her in. Ended up not filming it, basically because I was fighting the whole situation. Had a couple of straps to get the angle right. Now I've got the gearbox crossmember here, the new mount from this one, always genuine if I can. Part number for a GDR mount if you need one. But yeah, gotta go for the next bit, try and fight it in. Looking pretty central there. Happy enough I can actually get to the bolt for the shifter. I was a bit worried about that. Disconnect the strap, the rag can come out. But yeah, now I'm going to crawl around under the car, work with a couple of jacks and get that going. Couple of nuts to put on the engine mounts. They're actually shorter engine mounts, Ford Escort I believe they are. Little strong ones, same on both sides, just to drop the motor down an extra 10mm. That allows for axle height, and it also gives rocker cover clearance as well, which is always nice. And we've got the tail shaft out here. Must admit, seeing the motor in makes me too excited. Don't actually have anything else to do on this side of the motor that'll get in the way, so I figure what better time to chuck the turbo, well, the complete hot side back on. Going to try and do it all as one piece. That's how I took it off, and try and chuck it all back on. Hopefully don't do any damage to anything. Leaving the plastic on at the moment, should be able to get to everything and see what it all looks like. Pretty excited. We'll set up a tripod now and film it all. Nope. That's not going to work. Alright, after that little situation, I thought bugger it, I'll just bolt the manifold on, so that's all on there good. Now just go chuck the turbo on. has to come off to get adjusted. I'll take it off, loosen everything up and go back on. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, and just like that the turbo is on. Just got to tighten up the rest of the front cover bolts, but it's not too bad. Now I'm just going to fight the lines into place. Fortunately, if I show you that, you're just going to see my ass the whole time. Finish up with everything bolted on, just not really. The intake's finger tight. The hot side's actually all done up tight except the exhaust, which is just loose just so I can get the orientation right. Just pulled all the masking tape off, make sure everything looks alright. I'll chuck some plastic over the cams, protect them, stop everything getting in there. Otherwise, that's me done for the day. Not sure quite what I'll be doing next, if it'll be under the car or what. Probably get the clutch master in, maybe feed the wiring loom through, feed the front body loom through. Heaps to do. It's okay. Knock out little bits at a time. The heat's absolutely killing me, so might even give myself half a day off tomorrow on it. But no doubt I'll probably be out here anyway.